case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In Arbogast v. Pilot Rock Lumber Company, a 1959 Oregon Supreme Court case, the dispute began over the interpretation of two 1924 deeds and the meaning of timber. Plaintiffs Arbogast sought to keep all timber on their land that was not suitable for sawlogs and lumber manufacturing, while defendants Pilot Rock Lumber Company and Travelers Insurance Company claimed the right to cut all timber on the land. The court looked to previous cases and evidence of the parties' intentions to interpret the meaning of timber, ultimately determining it referred to trees suitable for manufacturing into lumber. This decision established rules on the kind and size of timber the defendants owned and were allowed to cut. The plaintiffs also objected to specific tree measurements and the inclusion of a type of tree not utilized in 1924. However, the court held the tree measurements correct and denied the plaintiffs' motion to reopen the case. Additionally, the court found no error in the trial court's holding that the land description in the Rosenboom-Edling deed was certain and sufficient. The court also recognized that some missing words were often provided by courts for grammatical completeness, ultimately affirming the trial court's decision.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.